Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Seminole County and east central Oklahoma, southeastern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Johnson, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Prague, Earlsboro, Johnson, Midland, and Centerview. The tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.